So have you already created your print on demand t-shirt design, but you're trying to find a way to mock up your t-shirt in order to get the sale? In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to take your print on demand t-shirt mock-up that looks like this and how to transform it into this. I'm going to share that all with you coming up next. Welcome back to the video, my friends. If you're new here, my name is Jay, and on this channel, I do everything from how-to videos and step-by-step guides, teach you exactly how to create your own products online. And I'm going to use Placeit today to share with you exactly how I come up with my t-shirt mock-ups for my print-on-demand products. And I want to show you how to do that right now. By the way, if you want to check out Placeit on your own, Placeit was so kind to give my audience a discount code for you to get started today. So make sure you check out all of my links in my description box below. So I'm super happy to be back with you on the platform Placeit to create a t-shirt mockup. Now, if you haven't caught my first video, I taught you exactly how I created this t-shirt design from scratch. So if you haven't watched that video, make sure you check out my link down in my description box below. Now I'm going to teach you exactly how I was able to make a t-shirt mockup just like this and how you are able to do the same exact thing. And again, today we're using Placeit. So I want to teach you how you can do that right now. So the first thing you want to do if you want to mock up your t-shirt is you want to go to the tab that says mockups, go down to apparel, and go all the way over to t-shirts. And again, this is where we're going to spend most of our time today. But again, Placeit is a great place for you to create hat mockups, digital product mockups. But again, our focus today is just on their t-shirts. We have already created our t-shirt design, and we know we have created an educational t-shirt. So what's pretty cool about Placeit is that they give you all these filters on the left hand side of what type of mockups you want to use. And as you can see, they use real model mockups, and this is where the game changes, right? A lot of people use flat lays on platforms like Etsy to sell their t-shirts, but again, what's pretty cool about Placeit is that they give you just not flat lay mockups, but actual real people. And again, the technology they use to actually lay your design on this, I think, is just genius. So I want to go and upload my design now, and I know whatever design I am going to use is going to be on a crew neck t-shirt. And so what I want to do is I want to upload my design here. So what I learned from using the Placeit mockups is that if you set your design a little bit higher, it seems to lay in a great position on the t-shirt, and I want to share that with you now. So just hit crop, and as you can see, it's going to filter in all of our designs for every mockup that we see here, mockup image that we see here. Now, of course, you may not be able to see the design right now because obviously our design is in the white font. However, what's pretty cool about using Placeit is that I can change the color of my t-shirt right here to fit my overall design. Once I hit blue and change the color of my t-shirt, you will then see how it is filtering through every mock-up image to change the color of every t-shirt. And this is what I mean by saving time, finding a system that works for you when you are creating print-on-demand products. Again, you don't have to worry about getting a photographer and finding a model and going out and spending time, energy, and effort trying to create these mockups on your own. You can jump into Placeit and find the perfect model for whatever theme or niche you are in and actually use that. Again, they have real models here, but also flat lay mockups. Now, since I know my niche is already education, here's where we are going to save a lot of time, right? They have a lot of mockup images here from first page all the way to 390. But here's where the power of Placeit comes in. I'm able to go to the left hand side and actually filter a little bit more of the particular model or mockup that I want to use. And since I know I am in the educational niche, I want to scroll down until I find something in education. All right, so I think we found a pretty good mock-up for our overall design, and this is the one that I'm going to use here. Again, if I know that I like certain images that I see here, I can go ahead and hit the heart button and to favorite this, but I think we are going to go ahead and use this particular mock-up here. All I have to do is just go ahead and click it. So as I click on this, it gives me further options. If I want to add some text here, maybe if I want to add my personal brand or my personal logo to this image, if I want to change the color of this t-shirt, I can do that here also to see if this t-shirt might look good in a different color. Again, Placeit gives you so many options for you to figure out what is the best mock-up for your overall t-shirt design. And again, it's all about saving time and thinking about which design, which mock-up would allow your product to get sold. So I think I'm going to go ahead and go back down to my dark blue because I think that really allows this design to stand out. So now that I have everything laid out, I have my mock-up here, I have my color set for my shirt. All I have to do is go up here and hit the download tab, and this will then download so I can access this to my computer. Now I think this mock-up looks really good. Now I'm going to take you a little step further, because if you're selling on Etsy, Etsy gives you that option to actually showcase whatever product you have in a video. And what's pretty cool about Placeit is that they are actually able to give you a mock-up in a video if you're doing t-shirts. So I want to share with you how to create t-shirt mock-ups in a video. I want to share that with you right now. So we're going to go back up to our mock-up area, and again, go to apparel. And instead of us going to t-shirt, we want to go to t-shirt videos. And this is going to give us that same layout of different models, of different mock-ups, but every mock-up that we see on this page is actually a video. I know it's crazy, right? It's actually a video. And I can individually go in here. Again, this is a little bit different than our still image. I have to go in here and actually click and to use a mock-up that I want to have and upload my design here. But just for example, I'm going to share with you how to do this with this mock-up here. So as you can see, Placeit has already given us a video preview of the t-shirt video that we're going to use. So I'm going to share with you how to upload your image. So you're going to go to insert image here. And again, you can pull from recent uploads. You upload it here. You can pull from an imported download file. You can import from your phone if you have that. But I want to go ahead and import from the downloads that I already have. All right, so I have my design here. And the same thing we did in regards to our still mock-up images. I'm going to go ahead and crop this image just by taking it up a little bit here. And I want to see how this fits on my overall model. And if for some reason it doesn't line up the right way, I can always go back in here and recrop the image and actually have it sit where it looks perfect on my model. So of course, since it is a white design, you're not going to be able to see the design right now. However, just like in our still mock-up image, I'm able to change the color of the shirt right here. So I want to go ahead and do that now. All right, so I see my t-shirt design on my model, and I have the t-shirt color already set here. And I want to go ahead and play through this to see how this t-shirt look as a video. Now, before I hit play, one thing I do want to note is that you are actually able to have an audio track to this. Now, Etsy does not allow you to have audio track when you're uploading your videos. However, if you do have a platform like Wix or Shopify where you do want to add some audio to your t-shirt videos, you can do that. But in our case today, we are going to delete the audio because we just want the video. So I'm going to go to the bottom of my page here and hit play, so I can see the preview of my video before I actually download it and use it on my platform. So now that our image is here and everything is laid out in our video, you can see that having your t-shirt on a video mock-up is really interesting. And again, this is that feature that Placeit gives you in an easy way for you to actually upload to Etsy if you have that platform, or maybe if you're doing Shopify or Wix or some other platform that you have. It is really easy to actually add a video without you going around and spending money on models or spending a whole afternoon shooting video. And I like using Placeit because you are able to use real models even in video. So if you're using things like Etsy where they allow you to have so many seconds of a clip of your product, this is a great place for you to actually use this feature of Placeit. So again, here are just some examples of some mock-ups that I use with my overall t-shirt design that I think will be really good if you jump in and use Placeit also for your print-on-demand products. So that is the end of today's video, my friends. That was anyway helpful or encouraging. Let me know by leaving a like on today's video. And again, everything I talked about today will be linked in my description box below, along with the Placeit product code if you want to get started using Placeit today. But as always, my friends, my name is Jay, and I will see you in the next video.